Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials. WAMP installed and its tray icon is green. Apache and MySQL must be running. Once done, decide whether you will import an existing SQL file or write a fresh query. Open WAMP menu and choose phpMyAdmin for a GUI or select MySQL console for command line work. This first action gets you directly into the environment where queries will execute, so make that choice now. phpMyAdmin for ease, MySQL console for precise control. Now you execute the middle steps. In phpMyAdmin, pick your target database, use import to upload a SQL file or the SQL tab to paste and run statements. If you prefer the console, connect with MySQL, you root p, then run source path /to/file. SQL or type queries and end with semicolon. Make sure the target tables exist, adjust collation if necessary, and temporarily disable foreign key checks when importing interdependent tables. These choices control success and avoid common integrity errors. Finish by validating results. Run targeted select queries to confirm row counts and schema changes, and review any error output. If an import fails, make sure the SQL uses UTF-8 encoding, strip problematic statements, and retry in smaller batches to isolate the issue. When things still go wrong, restart WAMP services, clear caches, and inspect Apache and MySQL error logs for precise messages. This final check prevents silent failures, and getting logs is your fastest path to a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.